Are you struggling with payroll calculation in Excel? You're welcome. On this channel, I teach simple practical tech skills that actually make you money and improve your productivity. In today's video, I am going to break down payroll step by step in a very simple way. You will learn how to calculate salaries, how to deduct taxes and net pay correctly using Excel, even if you are a beginner. Okay, so click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and let's get started. Let us imagine this is the data given to you. Okay, let's imagine this is the data given to you. These are the names. Let's go. These are the names. These are the names of the staff. Payroll. This is payroll. We are dealing with payroll right now. So these are the names of the staff. This is their ID. This is their ID, the company's ID given to each staff. This is the nationality, the department they are working for, the months, 12 months, 12 months. This is their basic salary. Okay, then we have some other benefits as well for each of the staff, and these are their taxes. This is the tax they have to pay each. So we are going to calculate total income, and it's very simple. How do we get total income? We are going to add basic salary with all of these benefits. That is the simple way of getting this. Okay, now before I proceed, there is something I want to add in this video, in this lesson rather. This is without it is without currency. Like, is it naira, is it dollar? Okay, how do we do that? All you have to do is just highlight. Okay, highlight it, then come to this place. Okay, hold on, let me highlight again. Highlight it to this place. Okay, then look at the movement of my mouse. Come up, you can see this is a dollar sign. When you check the drop down, you are going to see different sign that you want to put. Okay, you can if there is even naira there. Okay, let's imagine we want to use dollar in this case now, and this is it. Okay, so whatsoever you are putting here, it will also come with dollar as well. Then let us proceed. We want to get the total income of each person in this company. How do we do that? Equals to sum. Open your brackets. Sum what? We want to sum this salary, okay, up to lunch. Okay, then you close your brackets, then you press enter. So this is the salary. 30,000. 30,000 is the total salary for Abdullah every month. Okay, every month. Then you click on this place, drag it down automatically. So this is the salary of each of them. Each of them, this is their salary per month. Per month. So how do we get the gross income? The gross income means the salary in 12 months. Okay, this is per month, and this is in 12 months. How do we get that? It is very simple. You're going to times this with this. Okay, with 12 months. Okay, you're going to times this with 12 months. That's all. So equals to what? This total income times months. Yeah, press enter. So this is their monthly salary. Click on it, then you drag it down. This is the monthly salary for each of them. So Israel Tolu from Nigeria, and in field marketing department, gets 27,000 as gross income, and these are their taxes. This tax is for 12 months, is for 1 month. Okay, it's for the month. Every month Abdullah gets to pay 500 for tax. Okay, Odunye Bamitade gets to pay 250 for tax. Okay, the higher their salary, the higher their tax. Okay, that is just it. Now, how do we get the gross tax? We are going to do 500 times 12. 500 times 12. So equals to, okay, this times 12. Then you press your enter, and this is it. So every year Abdullah Salah gets to pay 6,000 as tax. Okay, per month he pays 500, and per year he pays 6,000. Then you drag down, If you don't understand the reason why we are dragging down, you can go to my previous video. You are going to understand better. So you drag that. So that is it. So how do we get the net income? So this is it. Don't forget. So definitely Jeffrey Savio gets to pay 3,000 for tax every year. So how do we now get the net income? Before I proceed, I'm going to be giving you like 1 minute to quickly think about it on your own before I proceed. How do you think we can get net income? How do you think we can get that? So while you are thinking about that, there's something I need to do here. You can see that after the dots we have 20. We don't want that. We just want a plain figure. Okay, you come here, then you press this 2 times. It will remove the 20, and that's it. Okay, that's it. So how do we get net income? We are simply going to be deducting gross tax from gross income. Okay, we are going to be deducting gross tax from gross income, and that's it. How do we do that? Equals to this minus this, then you press your enter. So this is it. Do you know the reason why it is having this comma? Because we are supposed to say this minus this, not this minus this. I don't know if you understand. Because we say 6,000 minus 360. That is the reason why it is giving us um this um this this is giving us this figure in this way, but how do we change that? Okay, let me go back and say clear context. Okay, how do we do that? The reason why it is giving us that inside the what's it called, inside that bracket, is because it's supposed to show us minus, because we said 6,000 minus 360. Okay, because we're supposed to say 360 minus 6,000, not 6,000 minus 360. So Excel wants to tell us that it is minus. Okay, but to make it, there's a way Excel does the things to show you. It will give you inside the bracket to show you that I really want to tell you that this is minus, because you said 6,000 minus 360. Thank you. So how do we do that? Go back, equals to this now. Okay, minus this, the correct way, minus this, then that's it. So this is correct. So if you say 6,000 minus 360 is to give you minus 357. Okay, for those of you that does mathematics in school, you understand better. So you click on it, then you drag it down, and that is it. So every year Malabar Tina from marketing department gets $206,400 as salary. Okay, so this is their net income, this is their gross tax, what will be deducted from their salary every year. This is what will be deducted from their salary every month. Okay, this is their gross income, the salary they get, or the total they get every year, and this is the total they get every month. I hope you understand. So for you to be able to know that you understand, you can do this on your own. Just give yourself a name, imagine a name, imagine their ID, their nationality, and just try this on your own. Okay, try this on your own. It is very simple. So when they say, can you do a payroll management, you won't say, oh, I don't know how to. This is a simple way of getting their gross, getting their tax, getting their net income, and all of that. Okay, so do this on your own. We're going to be seeing in the next class. Thank you.